After 60, staying strong and mobile isn't just about exercise, it's about getting the right nutrients. Many seniors are unknowingly skipping the very vitamins their body needs most for leg strength and circulation. You don't need a drawer full of pills or expensive supplements. In fact, just 3 key vitamins can help restore energy, improve balance, and reduce the aches and stiffness that slow you down. In this video, we'll reveal exactly what they are, why they work, and how to use them correctly. Let's start with the most overlooked but absolutely essential one, vitamin D3.
Vitamin D3 is often called the sunshine vitamin, but for seniors over 60, it should be called the mobility defender. Why? Because this one vitamin plays a critical role in muscle strength, balance, and fall prevention, all of which become more important as we age. Here's the reality. After 60, your body becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. Add in more time spent indoors or under sunscreen, and deficiency becomes extremely common, especially among retirees. And when D3 levels drop, muscles weaken, coordination suffers, and simple daily movements like getting up from a chair or walking upstairs become harder. Low vitamin D3 is linked to muscle fatigue, joint stiffness, and even slower reflexes, all of which can lead to dangerous falls. But when your levels are restored, you'll notice better balance, fewer cramps, and more stable leg strength within just a few weeks. Not only that, vitamin D3 also helps the body absorb calcium, which supports both muscle contractions and strong bones. But without enough D3, that calcium might not go where it's needed most. So, how much should you take? Most seniors need 800 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, depending on sun exposure, weight, and current levels. It's best to get your levels checked with a simple blood test. If you're deficient, your doctor may recommend a higher dose short term. You can also get vitamin D from fatty fish, fortified dairy, and eggs, but most seniors will benefit from a high-quality supplement taken with food, especially one that contains vitamin K2, which we'll cover in Chapter 3. Bottom line, if your legs feel weak or unsteady, start by checking your vitamin D3. It might just be the missing link to getting your strength and your confidence back.
Vitamin B12 isn't just about energy. It's essential for nerve health, especially the nerves that power your legs, balance, and walking ability. And here's the scary part. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 drops significantly, often without us even realizing it. If you've been feeling numbness, tingling in your feet, or a general sense of unsteadiness, a B12 deficiency could be to blame. These symptoms are incredibly common in older adults and are often mistaken for just aging. But left unaddressed, B12 deficiency can lead to serious nerve damage and even mobility loss. So what does B12 actually do? It helps form and maintain the protective coating, myelin, around your nerves. Without enough B12, the signal between your brain and legs weakens, causing that heavy leg feeling, slower reaction times, and even foot dragging in some cases. Unfortunately, B12 absorption relies on stomach acid, and many seniors either don't produce enough stomach acid or they take medications like antacids or metformin that block B12 absorption. That's why, even if you're eating meat, eggs, or fish regularly, you still might be deficient. The good news, B12 is easy to supplement, and the results can be dramatic. A daily dose of 500 to 1,000 mcg of methylcobalamin B12, the active form, under the tongue or in a spray form, bypasses digestion and absorbs directly into the bloodstream. Some seniors feel a noticeable difference in their legs, balance, and focus within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent B12 use. And for those with extreme deficiency, doctors may recommend a weekly B12 injection for faster results, especially if you're experiencing nerve pain or difficulty walking. Remember, vitamin B12 is not stored well in the body. It's water-soluble, meaning you need to replenish it regularly. Bottom line, if your legs feel weak, if your feet feel numb, or if you feel unstable when walking, check your B12 levels immediately. Correcting it could restore the power in your legs and help you walk with confidence again.
Vitamin K2 is the unsung hero of circulation, and if you're over 60, it's one of the most important nutrients you've likely never heard of. Most seniors know about calcium and maybe even vitamin D3, but without enough K2, that calcium can end up in the wrong places, like your arteries and joints, instead of where it belongs, your bones and muscles. Here's how it works. K2 helps direct calcium away from soft tissues like blood vessels and joints and guides it toward your bones, improving both bone strength and circulation. Without enough K2, calcium can build up in your arteries, leading to poor blood flow, leg cramps, and even varicose veins. This is especially dangerous for seniors who take calcium or vitamin D supplements, because without K2 to guide it, the extra calcium may be doing more harm than good. But there's more. K2 also improves vascular flexibility, meaning your blood vessels stay open and elastic, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your legs, feet, and muscles. That means less stiffness, fewer cramps, and better endurance when walking or standing for long periods. In fact, several studies have shown that seniors with higher K2 intake have fewer arterial blockages and better cardiovascular health overall. So where can you get it? Unfortunately, K2 isn't found in many common Western foods. The best sources include natto, a fermented soybean dish from Japan, not very common, hard cheeses like Gouda or Edam, grass-fed butter, and egg yolks. Because food sources are limited, most seniors benefit from a K2 supplement, ideally MK7 form, at around 90 to 180 micrograms per day. And if you're taking D3 or calcium, pairing it with K2 is essential to ensure those nutrients are properly used. Bottom line, if you want better circulation, fewer leg cramps, and protection against artery calcification, vitamin K2 is a must-have. Think of it as your calcium traffic controller, and your legs will thank you for it. Let's take a moment to recap everything we just covered, because small changes today can make a huge difference in how you walk, stand, and feel tomorrow. If you're over 60 and struggling with weak legs, poor balance, or cold feet, you're not alone. These symptoms are often signs of nutrient deficiencies, especially in 3 key vitamins your body needs more than ever. Vitamin D3, the muscle activator. Without it, your leg strength slowly fades. Get sunlight, fatty fish, or supplement with 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector, keeps your legs communicating with your brain. If you feel numbness or tingling, you may need 500 to 1,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin daily. Vitamin K2, the circulation fixer, directs calcium to the right places and keeps your blood vessels open and healthy. Look for MK7 supplements at 90 to 180 micrograms per day, especially if you're taking calcium or D3. Together, these 3 vitamins form a powerful defense system against the age-related decline in mobility and strength. They help you walk steadier, stand longer, and feel more confident in your movement. And here's the good news. It's never too late to start. Action plan for tomorrow morning. Take your D3 with a little healthy fat, like eggs or olive oil. Add B12, ideally sublingual or spray for better absorption. Include K2 if you're taking calcium or D3. Even if you don't see instant results, give your body time. Most seniors notice improvement within 2 to 4 weeks when taken consistently. And remember, supplements are just part of the picture. Pair these with a few simple habits: gentle stretching, light walking, and staying hydrated, and your legs will start feeling younger than they have in years. Your turn. Have you tried any of these vitamins? Do you feel any changes in your legs or circulation? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience could help another senior. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical, doctor-approved health tips for seniors. We've got more helpful videos coming, including the top 5 exercises to restore leg power after 60. You're stronger than you think, and your best years can still be ahead.